Welcome to Chapter 6, Preservation by Freezing. In this chapter, we'll explore how freezing helps preserve food, the science behind it, and the technologies used in the industry. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the principle of freezing, define freezing point, describe the freezing stages, and compare slow versus quick freezing. We'll also cover changes during frozen storage and different freezing methods used in the food industry. Freezing works by two main principles. Extremely low temperatures slow down microbial growth and chemical reactions, and ice crystal formation removes water from the food. As water freezes, solutes become concentrated, reducing water activity, and that means microbes can't grow and spoil the food. While freezing kills many spoilage bacteria, it doesn't destroy all, especially spores and resistant forms. That's why freezing is about preservation, not sterilization. Freezing occurs in three stages. First, the food is cooled to its freezing point. That's the pre-cooling stage. Then, during the phase change, ice crystals begin to form. Finally, in the tempering stage, temperature is reduced further to optimal storage levels, usually around -18 degrees Celsius. The freezing point is when a small ice crystal exists in balance with the water around it. Unlike pure water, food freezes at lower temperatures due to salts, acids, proteins, fats, and sugars that depress the freezing point. Now let's compare slow and fast freezing. Slow freezing leads to large ice crystals that damage cell structures, causing drip loss and mushy texture when thawed. Fast freezing, on the other hand, forms small ice crystals, preserving texture and quality. Frozen storage can still affect food. Biologically, most harmful organisms are destroyed, but some spores survive. Chemically, fats may go rancid and proteins can denature. Texturally, plant cells are more vulnerable than meats. And dehydration can cause freezer burn if foods aren't properly wrapped. Now let's look at common freezing methods used in the food industry. Each method is chosen based on speed, product type, and volume. Blast freezing blows extremely cold air across food, between -18 and -40 degrees Celsius. It's fast, effective, and ideal for many foods, especially when used in cabinet, tunnel, or fluidized bed systems. Plate freezing uses direct contact between packaged food and cold metal plates. It's great for flat, uniform items and reduces moisture loss compared to air freezing. Scraped heat exchangers freeze liquid or semi-solid foods by spreading them thinly on a cooled surface and scraping them off once frozen. This method is ideal for ice cream and similar products. Cryogenic freezing is the fastest technique, using liquid nitrogen or carbon dioxide to freeze food almost instantly. It's efficient but costly. Best used for high-value or delicate items. Now it's your turn. In groups, choose one freezing method and explore how it works, its pros and cons, and examples of food products that use it. Present it as an infographic in your next class. Before we wrap up, remember that freezing is just one method of food preservation. Coming up next, we'll explore traditional and innovative preservation techniques in Chapter 7. And that's a wrap on Chapter 6. Preservation by freezing. Thanks for watching, and keep your knowledge fresh, not frozen.